Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hawa Samir and I am from class 5C. Today, I am going to sing a poem for my respected teachers. School is like a heaven where teachers are immortal and we are like an empty bottle. We always try to fill this bottle, but our teacher says it's still an empty total. Whenever we do a mischief, our teacher catches us like a thief. We always feel that we are cool, but our teacher knows that we are just fools. Teachers are like friends, only when we surrender to them. Teachers are the best guardians, only when we respect them. Teachers are the fund of knowledge, only when we acknowledge. Teacher shows the directions, we are the one who reaches destination. With the help of our teachers, lots of hard work and affection, we know the stepping stone is a growth in our life. But only our teachers give us these meaningful vibes. Always remember your teachers because they are the only ones who create future. Thank you teachers for all you do. Happy Teachers Day.